Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the time traveler ruining meme that's been going on in TikTok. That's been trending, I guess. So you're going to I'm using CapCut. You can use any editing software you want, but I'm just going to select this meme here, and I'm just going to select these three lines, export still frame, and I'm going to select export, and make sure you remember that folder. Then I'm going to go to this website. This is called the Luma Labs, and I'm going to select that like screenshot of the meme. And you're going to type in, oh, you can also add in an end frame as well. I think I'm going to add that in. So I'll be right back. I'll just screenshot it. Actually, I'll just do it here. I'm just going to end the frame here, and I'm going to screenshot that as well. And I'm going to type in man running away holding, oh wait, man holding banana running away from monkey. And I'm just going to press enter, and I'm just going to wait for that to load. It's going to take a long time to load, so I'll be right back in like a few minutes. It could take hours, honestly, but you do have to sign in using your email, and I'll be right back. And you're going to download the video from the app. I already did last night. I just did not record it. It didn't take me super long. It did take hours. Um, I'm just going to go back to CapCut here, and you're going to just basically split and delete the right part of the video or where you like screenshotted it, and you're just going to add in that video that you saved from it, and this is what it should look like once you're done. I'm just going to make this a little bit shorter, and this is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to add the trending sound as well. I don't have it downloaded, but you have to do that. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.